Right team, as we approach the end of the year, it's time to tackle some cleanup. We need to organise the storage room, find what we can use, and we'll displace what we don't need. Just remember our purpose, get the job done with speed. Let's show them how it's done.
This'll do.
Not on my watch.
Hey cop, put that down, try this.
Mate, you're a bloody legend. Mate, this feels like bloody cheating.
In light of the upcoming events and promotions, I am introducing our new mascot, Frosty the Fencer. He's fun and festive and he's ready to tackle all your fencing needs. What'd you think?
Maybe we should express our Christmas spirit another way.
It's probably for the best.
Probably for the best. I do like the idea of a mascot on paddock.
What are you up to, Chad? All good?
Just trying to find the file, it's urgent. Oh, come on. How am I supposed to see anything now?
Why not use your phone as a flashlight?
It's flat, dead as a doornail.
Doorknob?
Huh?
Never mind, hold tight, I've got an idea.
You're a doorknob.
Alright, hold still.
What's this, a headlamp?
Something like that. Voila! Look at you go.
Well, guess that works.
Alright, I'll leave you to it. Merry filing.
Cheers, mate.
Hey, I'm really impressed, team. This is looking good. A lot of space for new ideas and new products. Well done.
Thanks, James. We haven't got to that corner yet, if you've got a minute.
Hey, yeah, happy to help. Oh, sorry, better grab this call.
Eh? What call?
How you going? Yeah, good, excellent. Oh yeah, really, fantastic. Oh, that's great, isn't it? Hey team, we'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support through 2024. Much appreciated, and we've had some great ideas and some great fun. Thank you. Our office and our warehouse will be closed for the 19th. We have a Belfast team day. We'll be back on the 20th, and also a skeleton crew on the 23rd for your urgent orders. We will reopen on the 6th of January 2025. Really looking forward to it. Once again, thank you very much for your support through 24. Look forward to partnering in 25, and have a great Christmas break. Thank you.